Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result for 1 year. This is actually 5 years follow-up. The audience want to know what's it look like after 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year. And we had a video for that before. Now this is the 5 year. Now why is the 5 years important? Because the audience want to know if hair transplant is permanent, and it is. Supposedly, and it should be, and 5 years you can see he's still there. There's full head of density. He had a multiple surgery. There's 4 surgeries already, and his hair looks fantastic, extremely dense. And the other important thing is now the hair transplant. Hair not only behave normally, it will continue to grow like it's always. You see how long he leave his hairs. So I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. That's a complete ball. That was him. And I'm going to show the audience. So that's the back. That's the back. That's the left side. The left side. Right side. Right front. So you can see there's not much hair at all. In class 6, 7. That's where he is. Well, here it was. And look at how fantastic his hair right now. And I'm going to show the audience. I'm going to zoom it in real close. Extremely thick and dense. Full density. Fantastic amount of hair that we did. And we can turn this way. Full density. And combing. I have a hard time combing with such nice hair quality. Nice wavy hair. Excellent density. But again, we did over 10,000 grafts. Now to show the audience what his hair looked like. Can you look down from me? Full density. Excellent density. Okay, back there. Again, he used no product. This is just natural. The reason we want to not wearing any product, not styling his hair, because we're about to go in to do another surgery, just a small minor touch up. Being a perfectionist that he is, he want to make sure he want to feel every square inch on his head, and this examination of the hairline is perfect and it's natural. And this way, thank you.